Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Stanley Tumbler is probably one of the most sought-after hydration companions right now, and for good reason. These insulated cups promise to keep your drinks ice cold for hours on end, making them perfect for long days at work, intense gym sessions, or simply relaxing at home. But with so many different sizes, colors, and features available, choosing the right one can feel a bit overwhelming, especially when you're looking for that perfect blend of style and functionality that truly fits your lifestyle. We're diving deep into what makes the Stanley Tumbler a fan favorite and helping you navigate the options to find your ideal match. Number 5. Coldest Tumbler with handle and straw 36 ounces. Never worry about spills again. This insulated tumbler is engineered for a completely leak-resistant experience, ensuring your drink stays inside, no matter where you take it. Enjoy your drinks at the perfect temperature for longer. Its triple insulated wall keeps beverages ice cold for over 36 hours, making every sip as refreshing as the first. For those who prefer their drinks warm, this tumbler keeps them steaming hot for up to 13 hours. It's perfect for coffee, tea, or any hot beverage you need to stay warm. Customize your drinking experience with 3 different lids. Whether you prefer sipping, chugging, or blending, there's an option for every need and every drink. Designed for comfort and stability, the large ergonomic handle and non-slip rubber bottom provide a secure hold. You can confidently carry it without it slipping from your grasp. It fits in 99% of cup holders, making it convenient for travel. Choose from a wide range of colors to match your personal style and sip in style wherever you go. What we like? This tumbler offers exceptional temperature retention, keeping drinks cold for over 36 hours. With 3 different lid options, it provides ultimate versatility for any beverage. If you're looking for a reliable, spill-proof companion for long days or outdoor adventures, this is the one for you. What people say. It really keeps water cold for a long time. I'll typically fill it 1.3 to 1.2 with ice, and that will easily last 24 plus hours. The rubberized bottom keeps it nice and steady on otherwise slipper surfaces like tile. It holds up well even after many hand washes. I'm very happy with this purchase and have many other Coldest and can't recommend them enough. Number 4. Velaco silicone straw covers for Stanley tumblers. These silicone straw covers are designed for a perfect fit with your Stanley and simple modern tumblers. They also fit most large diameter straws, ensuring compatibility for your favorite drinks. Crafted from food-grade silicone, these covers are built to last. They are reusable, easy to clean, and safe for your health, making them a great choice for everyday use. Keep your drink clean and safe with these practical straw caps. They provide excellent protection against dust and splashes, perfect for any adventure. Add a touch of style to your tumbler with these cute and functional straw toppers. They not only look great but also prevent unwanted particles from entering your drink. Their small and portable design makes them easy to carry wherever you go. Enjoy your beverages outdoors with confidence, whether you're walking, camping, or hiking. We are committed to providing you with the best experience. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like? These straw covers are made from durable, food-grade silicone and are designed to keep dust and debris out of your drink. They offer a cute and practical way to protect your beverage. If you often drink on the go or want to add a touch of fun and hygiene to your daily hydration, these are a great choice. What people say. These silicone straw covers fit perfectly on my Stanley cup and the colors match beautifully. Simple, snug fit that keeps the straw opening clean when not in use. This cover fits Stanley straws the best, so if you have or use any other cups or skinnier straws, it won't fit as snug or perfectly. Perfect fit for Stanley cup straw. Number 3. Stanley 40-ounce tumbler replacement straws 6-pack. Introducing the ideal replacement straws designed specifically for your Stanley 40-ounce tumbler. Enjoy effortless sipping with these durable and long-lasting accessories. Crafted from premium Tritan material, these straws offer the same high quality as the originals. They are built to withstand daily use and provide a smooth drinking experience. This value pack includes 6 replacement straws and a convenient cleaning brush. Keep your tumbler accessories pristine and ready for everyday use. Cleaning is a breeze with these straws. They are dishwasher safe or can be easily hand washed, ensuring they remain odor-free and stain-free. Made from BPA-free, clear, and reusable material, these straws are a safe and eco-friendly choice. They are designed to fit perfectly without any need for cutting. With 6 straws in each pack, you can share them with family and friends or keep them as backups for your daily hydration needs. What we like. These replacement straws are made from high-quality, durable tritan material and are designed to fit your 40-ounce tumbler perfectly. They come with a cleaning brush for easy maintenance and are dishwasher safe. If you need a reliable and easy-to-clean replacement for your original straw, this 6-pack offers great value. What people say. Great and came with a straw cleaning brush. Very sturdy and easy to insert. Clear so easy to use in other cups. These straws are so amazing. They are sturdy and easy to clean. These fit like the original ones and the tool to clean them was a nice addition to keep them clear. Number 2. Iron Degree FLASK Copilot Insulated Mug 32 ounces. Enjoy your beverages at the ideal temperature for hours. Our advanced insulation technology keeps drinks cold for up to 20 hours and hot for up to 5 hours, ensuring no more lukewarm sips. Designed to fit perfectly in your car's cup holder, this mug offers a secure and stable experience. The non-slip base adds protection and prevents noise, making it your perfect travel companion. Crafted from durable, BPA-free 18/8 stainless steel, this mug is built for everyday use. It's lightweight yet incredibly robust, promising years of reliable performance. Choose the perfect lid for any situation. It comes with 2 insulated lids, a splash-proof straw lid and a completely leak-proof flip lid, ensuring no spills. Cleaning is simple thanks to its wide mouth design. Easily reach every part for a thorough clean, ensuring hygiene and convenience with minimal effort. What we like. This insulated mug keeps drinks cold for up to 20 hours and hot for up to 5 hours, fitting perfectly in your car's cup holder. It comes with 2 lids, including a leak-proof flip cap for secure travel. If you need a stylish and practical travel mug for your daily commute or road trips, this is an excellent option. What people say. It keeps my water without ice cold for hours. It's a sturdy mug and the color is vibrant. It does not leak. Easy to clean. It's high quality and it came with 2 straws and 2 different lids. True to its description, this insulated mug does a great job at keeping cold liquids cold. If I pour refrigerator cold water into this mug in the morning, it will still be at the low end of cold into cool in the evening. The mug comes with 2 lids. One has a hatch lid for sipping, and the other a hole for a straw. 2 straws are included. Even completely full, this mug is very well balanced and easy to carry. I can put ice in it in the morning and the ice is still there all day. Their color options are great as well. Their customer service is amazing as well. The cup I just purchased had an issue with one of the lids. I contacted them and they quickly responded to address the issue. Number 1. Iron Degree FLASK Copilot Insulated Mug 40 ounces. Enjoy your coffee hot or your water ice cold for hours. Our advanced insulation technology ensures your beverage stays at the ideal temperature, preventing lukewarm sips and diluted flavors. Designed to fit standard cup holders, this mug is your perfect travel companion. Its secure fit and non-slip base prevents spills, making it ideal for busy mornings and adventurous journeys. Crafted from durable, BPA-free stainless steel, this mug is built to withstand daily use. It's a reliable choice that will exceed your expectations for years to come. Choose between 2 versatile, leak-proof lids for any occasion. Whether it's a splash-proof straw lid or a secure flip lid, your drinks will stay contained and spill-free. Cleaning is simple with its wide mouth design. Effortlessly reach every part for a thorough scrub, ensuring a sparkling clean mug with minimal effort every time. What we like. This larger 40 ounces insulated mug offers extended hydration, keeping drinks cold for up to 20 hours and hot for up to 5 hours. It's designed to fit standard cup holders and includes 2 versatile lids, one of which is leak-proof. If you need a larger capacity mug for longer outings or for those who tend to drink more, this is the ideal choice for staying refreshed. What people say. It keeps my water without ice cold for hours. It's a sturdy mug and the color is vibrant. It does not leak. Easy to clean. It's high quality and it came with 2 straws and 2 different lids. True to its description, this insulated mug does a great job at keeping cold liquids cold. If I pour refrigerator cold water into this mug in the morning, it will still be at the low end of cold into cool in the evening. The mug comes with 2 lids. One has a hatch lid for sipping, and the other a hole for a straw. 2 straws are included. Even completely full, this mug is very well balanced and easy to carry. I can put ice in it in the morning and the ice is still there all day. Their color options are great as well. Their customer service is amazing as well. The cup I just purchased had an issue with one of the lids. I contacted them and they quickly responded to address the issue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.